Welcome to Pragmatic. Today I am going to explain the quality check process in Odoo version 19 Enterprise. Quality check means whenever a product newly manufactured or received or sold to the customer, in each operation we need to check the quality of it. So that is what I am going to explain today. Firstly, we need to make sure install this quality module, and inside this quality control in control points I have already created a new quality check. Here we can able to add a specific product or total category here itself. We can also add multiple categories, and operation types as we require we can add it like receipts, delivery orders, manufacturing, and here we can also set the responsible person for this quality check, and the control testing per product or operation or quantity we can able to add it here, and the control frequency, type of the testing, quality team, everything we can able to manage here. And also we can able to provide the instructions like please check the quality of the product, and if it is failed, what message we can show like this product failed in quality testing. Everything we can able to configure in this particular quality module itself. After that I will show you on the flow. So I am creating a new sale order for the customer, and I am adding a quantity of 5 liters. Going back to the quotation. Once it is done, I am just confirming this order. Upon confirming this order, since this product is not available, manufacturing order is created. In order to manufacture it, I require this component so that purchase order also automatically triggered as per I set the reordering rule. Now I am just going to confirm this order and receive this. So before receiving that, we need to set the lot of this particular products. I am just generating a lot for this products. Since I am handling this product by lot, it is required to share the lot serial numbers. I just generated a lots, and then when I try to validate, system will first ask for the quality to do that. So that I am just adding like verified for the product milk, then pausing it. Now asking for sugar, and next vanilla essence and whipping cream. So as per the each product it will conduct the testing. After that only it will move to the done state and validate it. Here we can also see the quality check which is done and the status of it. We can also go through it and see the notes that the particular testing person provided. That much of the detail we can able to handle it here. After the product components are received, now I can able to see the components are available, and I am going to plan it and manufacture it. Just planning it. Here also we can see the quality checks. We can also generate lot for this particular manufacturing as well. And then I am just going to the work orders and start the work. Completed all the works, and then I am just producing it all. Upon producing test, we can get this invalid operation because we still not done the quality check. So I am going to the quality check and doing the quality checks now. For each products happening now. Vanilla ice cream, that the only product that we are doing, so I am passing it. Once it is done, I can produce it now. Now it is successfully produced. So now for the purchase receiving product and manufacturing producing product, we have seen the quality check. Finally, I am showing you the delivery order of the selling of the product quality check as well. So inside the delivery order, here we can see quality check button is available, and when we try to validate, it will trigger the quality check alert. I am just verifying it, then automatically it is done. So this is how we can easily track the quality check of the product in each operation upon configuration in Odoo version 19. Thank you.